Hello Ralston Primary School. This is now the 4th time I have actually tried to do this video. It's just not my day with videos. I keep messing it up. I am not speaking loudly enough when I've made them, so hopefully this time this works. So here we are once again. This is the week beginning of the 21st of September to say well done and celebrate all of the great work that we've done once again this week. Homework is still incredible. It's been on Twitter, it's been on Seesaw, and it's a pleasure to watch. Your respect this week, children, has been utterly it's really taken me aback. You've been respectful to each other, you've been respectful to your teachers, but also you've been respectful to yourselves. The quality and respect and effort that's gone into your work and your education is really outstanding. And children, I just want to say, well done. Keep up the great work, and you are superstars. Now, you'll also notice some different things about this video. We've got teachers who are starting to be brave and actually speak and give their well-dones to you by video as well. So hopefully it's just the start. And I also want to say well done to Mrs. Sullivan, who this week did her own YouTube assembly. Well done, Mrs. Sullivan. It's not as easy as I make it look. I know, I am just that good. Right, anyway guys, keep up the great work. You are all superstars. Well done, Ralston Primary School.
My shining star this week in 6ES is Ellie Johnston for her fantastic maths work. She's been working really hard on dividing by 10, 100 and 1,000, and she even got onto the very tricky extension, working collaboratively with another child in the class. She's just really impressed me this week with her effort. Well done, Ellie.
Woo!